want to work in IT and you are serious about growing your career in 2026, this is the one certification that you cannot afford to ignore. That is ITIL. You see it everywhere. Job descriptions, promotions, leadership roles, and whatnot. ITIL is not just a certificate. It is a system companies use to run IT smoothly. Less chaos, more structure, better results. Whether you are in the IT support, service delivery, DevOps, or project management, ITIL can change your career direction. In this session, you will clearly understand the different ITIL levels, how the certification path works, what the exams looks like, and how ITIL can impact your career growth. By the end, you will have a practical roadmap to move forward confidently. So before we deep dive into our today's video, there is a quick quiz question for you. And the question is, what is the full form of ITIL? Your options are your option A, International Technology Integration Library, option B, Information Technology Infrastructure Library, option C, Integrated Technical Information Layer, or the option D, Information Technology Implementation Logic. Let me know your answers in the comment section below and let's see who will give the right answer first. So now let's look at the agenda of our today's video. So we'll start by understanding why ITIL is considered a must-have certification in today's IT industry and who it's best suited for, whether you are in the IT support, DevOps, service delivery, or management. Then we'll explore the ITIL 4 certification structure, including the foundation level, the main paths like managing professional, strategic leader, and practice manager, and how you can progress towards becoming ITIL Master. Next, we'll help you choose the right ITIL path based on your current role and your career goals. After that, we'll break down the ITIL exam format, what to expect at the foundation and the advanced levels, and how to prepare effectively. We'll also cover the key ITIL concepts you must understand, including the service value system, guiding principles, continual improvement, and important practices like incident and change management. Then we'll look at the career impact of ITIL, including job roles, leadership opportunities, and salary growth. We'll also discuss common mistakes to avoid so you can stay on the right track. Finally, we'll share a practical 30, 60, 90-day roadmap to help you start with your ITIL journey with confidence. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start by understanding the structure of ITIL 4. ITIL 4 has a clear and simple certification path. Everyone begins with the ITIL Foundation. This is the entry-level certification and it builds the base for all advanced levels. The foundation exam has 40 multiple-choice questions that you need to complete in 60 minutes duration, and you need to get 65% to pass. After completing foundation, you can choose one of these 3 main paths. And your first path is Managing Professional, that is MP. This path focuses on practical and technical skills. It is best for professionals who run IT services, teams, and operations. The next you can become is Strategic Leader. This path focuses on business strategies and digital transformation. It is ideal for professionals involved in leadership and decision-making roles. Next, you can go for Practice Manager. This path allows you to specialize in specific ITIL practices. It is great if you want deep expertise in areas like incident or change management. After completing the required modules and gaining experience, you can move towards ITIL Master. This is the highest level and shows advanced understandings and real-world applications of ITIL principles. Also, just a quick information, if you're interested in getting certified in ITIL, I highly recommend checking out Simplilearn's ITIL Foundation certification to strengthen your ITIL foundation. It includes official PeopleCert materials, the exam fee, and 100% money back. Plus, you can earn up to 22 PDUs through quizzes, mock tests, and live sessions. If you are looking to level up, consider advancing with ITIL 4 Strategist, which is direct, plan, and improve. for leadership skills, or specialize with ITIL for specialist, which is drive stakeholder value to enhance your customer journey, mapping, and service delivery. Both courses come with PDUs, exam fees, lifetime access, and are accredited by Exulons, giving you IT service management career a serious boost. Do check out the link in the description box in the pinned comments for more details. Now that you have understood the structure, the next question is, which path should you choose? Choosing the right ITIL path depends upon your current role and your career goals. If you work in IT service management, handle service delivery, manage operations, or lead team and workflows, then the managing professional, that is MP path, is good choice for you. It helps you build strong practical and operational skills. If you are in the leadership roles or you work on digital strategy, IT governance, or business alignment, then the strategic leader path is better for you. This path focuses more on strategy, planning, and decision making. If you want to become an expert in specific areas like incident management, service desk, or a problem management, then the practice manager, that is MP, path is the right fit for you. It gives you deep, hands-on knowledge in specific ITSM practices. When you choose a path that matches your job role or your future goals, you get better career growth and a stronger return on your efforts and investments. Now that you know the path, let's understand the exam format. The ITIL Foundation exam focuses on the basics. You will be tested on the key concepts, definitions, guiding principles, and the service value system. The questions are clear and straightforward. But they don't just check if you have memorized the definitions, but they check if you actually understand the concept. Now, when you move to advanced levels like managing professional or strategic leaders, things change. The exam becomes more scenario-based. Instead of asking simple theory questions, it gives you real-life situations. You'll need to think practically and apply ITIL concepts to solve problems. Foundation is usually moderate in difficulty if your basics are clear, but advanced modules require deeper understanding and practical thinking. So, when preparing, don't just focus on theory. Focus on understanding how ITIL works in real-world IT environments. Now, let's talk about the backbone of ITIL. To really understand ITIL, you need to know these concepts, as they make things clear and practical. First concept is the service value system, or SVS. This explains how a company takes customer needs or demands and turns them into a real value. In simple words, it shows how IT services help the business to succeed. At the center of the system is the service value chain. Think of it like a flow of activities. Different teams and processes work together step by step to deliver a service. When everything connects, value is created. Next are ITIL guiding principles. These are just simple rules that help teams make better decisions. They remind everyone to focus on value, work together, keep things simple, and improve continuously. Then we have the continual improvement model. IT services should not stay the same forever. This model ensures that services keep getting better over time. Finally, there are the key practices like incident management, problem management, change enablement, and service request management. These are the daily activities that keep IT running smoothly. They help reduce issues, prevent repeated problems, manage changes safely, and handle user requests efficiently. When you understand these core concepts, ITIL stops being theory. It becomes a practical system that improves service quality and customer satisfaction. Now let's talk about what most people care about, that is career growth. ITIL certification can open doors to many career opportunities. If you work as a service desk analyst, incident manager, change manager, service delivery manager, or ITSM consultant, ITIL can help you move to the next level, I swear. As you grow into leadership roles, ITIL helps you manage governance, compliance, business alignments, and much more effectively. In terms of salaries, in India, ITIL certified professionals typically earn around 6 to 25 lakhs per annum, depending on their role and experience. In the US, ITIL certified professionals usually earn approximately around $70,000 to $130,000 per year, based on their position and seniority. Organizations trust ITIL certified professionals because they understand the structured service value. This trust often leads to promotions, high responsibilities, and salary growth. ITIL remains in strong demand across industries like IT, healthcare, banking, telecom, and government sectors. So, in simple words, ITIL doesn't just improve your knowledge, it increases your professional value. Before moving forward, let's discuss mistakes that slow people down. A common mistake is skipping the foundation level and trying to jump straight into advanced modules. If your basics are not strong, advanced topics will feel difficult. A strong foundation makes everything easier. Another mistake is choosing a certification path without thinking about your career goals. If you pick the wrong path, it may not help you grow in the direction you want. Many people also ignore scenario-based practice. ITIL exam test how you apply concepts in real situations, not just how well you remember the definition. Finally, some people treat ITIL as just theory. ITIL is meant to be used in real-world environments. When you apply it practically, that's when it truly adds value to your resume. Once you have built your base, ITIL also offers extension modules for professionals who want to go deeper and specialize in specific areas. These modules are designed for people who already understand ITIL basics and now want to build expertise in any focused area. For example, the Sustainability in Digital and IT module teaches how to make IT services more environmentally responsible and sustainable. Next is Acquiring and Managing Cloud Services module. It is perfect for professionals working with cloud platforms. It helps you understand how to choose, manage, and control cloud services effectively. There are also modules like Business Relationship Management, which focuses on improving communication between IT and business teams, and IT Asset Management, which helps you manage IT resources properly throughout their life cycle. These extension modules are useful if you work in cloud environments, vendor management, government roles, or sustainability-focused projects. In simple words, they help you move from general ITIL knowledge to specialized expertise. Now let's end our today's video with a practical 30, 60, 90-day roadmap. In first 30 days, focus on learning the basics of ITIL. Understand important terms, key concepts, the service value system, and main ITIL practices, and build a strong foundation. In the next 60 days, improve your understanding. Start taking mock exams and practice scenario-based questions. This will help you apply what you have learned and feel more confident. By 90 days, aim to clear the ITIL Foundation exam. After that, choose your next certification path based on your job role and your career goals. Most importantly, try to use ITIL concepts in your daily work. When you apply what you have learned, you gain real skills and real confidence. And with that, we have already covered everything we need to know about the ITIL certification journey. From understanding why ITIL matters in today's fast-moving IT world, to exploring the certification levels, exam structures, core concepts, career impact, common mistakes, and even a clear 30, 60, 90-day roadmap. You now have the complete picture. Now it's your turn. This is where you move from watching to taking actions. Start your ITIL journey today and take your IT to the next level. Whether you begin with a foundation or aim for advanced tracks, ITIL can open new doors, build your confidence, and position you as a true IT service professional. Your growth starts with one decision. Make that decision today. If you have any doubts or any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and our team of experts will reply to you as soon as possible. Till then, thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.